Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with some GPT sites, means get paid to sites. So GPT sites have become one of the easiest and most accessible ways to earn extra money online these days. And let me tell you that GPT sites pay users and people for simple digital tasks. And today I have bought some best GPT sites which will be paying you if you are having a smartphone or laptop with an internet connection. So let's start the list, and starting with the first is WiseSense. Let me tell you that WiseSense is one of the oldest and most trusted GPT and survey platform site online, and you can earn from WiseSense by completing paid surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, and participating in offerwalls. And let me tell you that it supports PayPal, Payoneer, and several other regional payment methods in your area. Now, this is all about WiseSense, and the second site is Freecash. Freecash also pays for app testing, sign up offers, surveys, and playing mobile games. And let me tell you, it is well known for gaming offers, which pays significantly more than traditional survey sites, whether it is Visense or some other site. By the way, you can earn as a referral commission from Freecash as well. And the third one is Cash in Style. This is a new GPT platform, and let me tell you, it is getting popular because it offers high payout, and this also pays for surveys, gaming tasks, and a basic promotion. And once you reach $2, you can easily cash it out or receive it in your bank account through PayPal or other payment method working in your area. So this is all about today, and in the coming videos, I'll be talking about more GPT sites which will be helping you to earn money online. And if you love my content, you can consider subscribing my channel, or you can smash that like button to keep me motivating to create more content like this. So see you soon.